What you're seeing here is the training data for a student's rock, paper, scissors project. They used their webcam to collect photos of their hands making the shape of rock, paper, and scissors, and they used these photos to train a machine learning model that could recognize the shape of their hand. Now, there's always a student who creates a set of training images like this. They held their hand more or less still in front of the webcam, and they kept hitting the camera button. And what they've ended up with is a large number of very similar photos. Other students naturally will create a range of different photos. They'll take some photos of their left hand and some photos of their right hand. They'll take some photos of their hand held really close to the webcam, so it looks quite large in the image. They'll take some photos of their hand held further away, so it looks a bit smaller. And they'll take photos of their hands in a variety of directions from a variety of angles. Now, when I leave the students to experiment and encourage them to compare their projects, they'll notice differences in the way that their different projects behave. Projects trained like this, with a wider variety of training examples, often perform better. Their machine learning models make fewer mistakes, and they have a higher confidence score for the hand shapes that they recognize correctly. Projects trained with a really similar set of training examples like this, they often make more mistakes, particularly when the students are playing each other's rock, paper, scissors projects and they hold their hand in a position or at an angle that was different to the way that it was trained. Letting students try each other's projects often allows them to see how machine learning models trained with a wider variety of training examples perform better.